Morning all, this is the third video. It's just they're just quick videos of me scooting over some of the Midjourney stuff for you to know. So the next thing I'm going to do is make variations. When you've got an upscale, like this one here, and you want to use the remix feature, which is make variations, you can set it on in your settings, click on it to turn it on, click on it again to turn it off. I'm going to use version 4. So when you do that, if you click make variations on an upscaled image, you can add some stuff to here, or you can completely take it away. So I'll change that into a fish, a bat, and a great eagle. Right, let's submit that. I've got no idea how that's going to come out. So this is currently upscaling that so that I can show you again. So make variations again. And let's go the sun exploding in HD. Submit that. So what I've basically done is taken an image I've created, I've upscaled it, then I've used make variations of the upscaled version so that I can change the prompt and see if I can get a different result. So we'll see. Okay, so that's like crazy. But if you keep doing it and keep messing with it, you'll get better results. I don't really have the time to kind of go over it properly. So yeah, that's what you can do with remix. Now, image prompts I've already showed you, but I haven't showed you multi-prompts. So multi-prompts are a thing in Midjourney now. So let's go the sun exploding in space, double colon. That tells it that you're using multiple prompts. Blue fire and green fire. Another prompt in the style of Ghibli Studios. See what happens. Let's have a look at these. Yeah, so if I upscale 2, I'll then get the option to remix it or make variations. You can also use prompt weighting. So I could do this, and let's say I want in the style of Ghibli Studios to be the most weighted prompt. I'm going to put 3 there. I can't remember if there's a space or not. Yeah, so that's prompt weighting. But after the semicolons, if you put a number, it will use that number to give that image or that prompt more weight. Okay, I actually think it's immediately after the colon. So what one did I use? This, so let's try this one again. But like that. See what happens. Right, so here we've got the upscaled image. If I just go make variations, sun exploding in HD, landscape AR16:9, intricate detail. See what happens with that. Oh, right, that's my bad. I forgot to use right, so there is what it's came up with. But it's clearly, you know, you can see the Ghibli Studios influence loads. If I change that to, you know, remove that and do the sun exploding in space, let's see what happens. Put to a 5. Right, let's see what happens. And I was showing you, oh yeah, I was doing the make variations on this, wasn't I? Now what does it say? I done that, so I didn't do the intricate detail. 35mm camera angle, landscape, AR space 16:9. That should do it now. It shouldn't give me any failures now. So the sun exploding is much more prevalent than anything else, as you can see there. It's really concentrated on the sun. It's pretty cool. But yeah, that's it really. I don't think there was anything else I wanted to look at. So that's multi-prompts, prompt weights, image prompts we've done in the remix option. One last thing. I didn't remember it. Let's get one of these prompts. Video. So if you do this, put your prompt in, and then at the end --, video, hit enter. Version 4 is not compatible with video. Okay, so we need to go V3. Alright, that's not that. So the easiest way to do it is just go to settings, change it to V3. Right, let's just get the prompt back. Copy. So we're in V3 now, I think. Did I change it? I did. Right, so that should work now. And up here we've got the sun exploding. That one's crazy. But yeah, you can see there's loads of them. Again, I'll put a link to the manual where you'll find all this information. So yeah, we're just waiting on this. And you know, you can mess around with everything, you know, absolutely everything, and just get really down the rabbit hole. I don't think there's anything else I need to explain to you. I think that'll do. That should give you a broad overview of Midjourney and how to use it really. Let's just get rid of these messages. Oh, this drives me mad. Come on. Now my mouse has decided to give up the ghost. There we go. Get rid of that, rid of that, rid of that. So as you can see, V3 is quite different to the results we were getting from V4. And we also got a video now. You'll be saying to yourself, where's the video? You need to send yourself an envelope. So send the message that created the video an envelope, and then it private messages you the video of it being created. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's it from me for today. I hope you learned something for these. Join me in my Discord if you've got any questions. You can question me on my YouTube channel, whatever you like. Hope to see you soon. All the best. Enjoy your day.